So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we try and troubleshoot iPhone users issue of not being able to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So here I am using an iPhone 11. The steps that I show should remain more or less same for all iPhones. First step that I would ask is head towards your settings, tap on Wi-Fi, simply disconnect from the existing Wi-Fi network and then just reactivate it. Trust me, this works for 80% of the users. The simplest method, simply deactivate and then connect back to the Wi-Fi network. Well, hopefully things should get sorted. If it doesn't, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Quite possible that the existing Wi-Fi network doesn't work. So my Exciter network is faulty. So let me connect to the Jio network and put in the credentials and then tap on join. So once I tap on join, so we have now connected to a different Wi-Fi network. Maybe this should help. Well, even if this doesn't help, what you can do is forget the network and try reconnecting to it. How you do this is by tapping on the small little exclamation mark besides any of the networks that you want to forget. So tap on forget the network. So what happens is the network will still appear in the network list, but you are required to reconnect back to it. So you will see that I still have the Jio network appearing, but as if I have to again connect back to it. So put in the required credentials and then tap on join. So hopefully, like when you forget the network and then reconnect back to it, doing what we have just shown, things should start working. Well, the fourth method that I am about to demonstrate requires that you head towards settings and then reset network settings. For this, go to your settings homepage, scroll down until you see general, tap on general, scroll down until you see reset, tap on reset network settings, and here you are required to put in your passcode. So once you are putting your passcode, it will again show prompt a screen for reset network settings and the phone will at this point reboot itself. Don't worry, let the phone reboot. So it will just indicate that the settings have been reset. So there we have the famous Apple icon and the phone has started. You will again be prompted for the passcode. So put in your passcode. So once you put in the passcode, what happens is when you reset network settings, all the Wi-Fi credentials are not stored. So you are again required to punch in those credentials. So the Wi-Fi network list will display and then again you are required to put in the credentials. So I will just put in the credentials and then again join to the network. So the same credentials, and now when I join to the network, hopefully the Wi-Fi connection remains strong and steady. Well, if all this method fails, maybe rebooting the iPhone may also work. So we have the volume up and the volume down and the power button to the side. Hold the volume up and the power button together for some time. Okay, so we just messed it up. So we will again do this. We'll just hold both of this for some time and you will see this. So simply slide this and like the phone will get turned off. So hold on to that for a few seconds. Now reboot the phone. So simply hold the power button for some time until you see the famous Apple icon. So there you go. So let the phone restart. So this time you don't really require to put in the Wi-Fi credentials. Obviously you need the passcode. But you will see that you don't need the Wi-Fi credentials. It will automatically connect to the earlier Wi-Fi network which we had connected. So these are the steps that I want you to do. And I will just recap. The first thing that I suggested and the most powerful method is just deactivating Wi-Fi and reactivating it. Then connecting perhaps to a different Wi-Fi network just to check whether other Wi-Fi networks work more effectively. Forgetting the network and trying to reconnect to it. Heading towards the network settings and like resetting the network settings and then rebooting the phone. I know that this is a fast-paced tutorial, but hopefully doing the steps will get you back to your steady Wi-Fi connections on your iPhone. If you think today's tutorial was helpful, please subscribe us, please click on the like button, please share this with your friends, and please tap the bell icon for notifications. I will meet you on the next one. Thank you.